Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to add IPTV channels to your Kodi setup. You're about to unlock boundless entertainment. First, let's download and open Kodi. Whether you're on a computer, TV box, or smartphone, the steps are the same. Navigate to the main menu and find the Add-ons section. This is where the magic of customization begins. Once in Add-ons, click on the open box. At the top left, this is the gateway to adding new features to Kodi. Next, select Install from Repository. Kodi lets you choose from a multitude of official repositories. Scroll to the PVR Clients option and click. This is crucial for setting up IPTV viewing capabilities. Find the PVR IPTV Simple client from the list. It's the tool for accessing IPTV channels. Click Install and give it a few moments to download. Soon, you'll integrate IPTV into Kodi. Once installed, open this client. Under M3U playlist URL, you'll paste the IPTV source link. To find a reliable IPTV provider, check out 2tv.store, the best for seamless service. Enter the IPTV link from 2tv.store. This is where your IPTV content begins the transformation. Then enable the client. Your Kodi will start updating with current channel information. Head back to the main menu and locate your new TV option. Congrats! Channels are now accessible. Explore through various categories. Movies, news, sports, and more await at your fingertips. Remember, using 2tv.store means you're settling for quality and excellent service with IPTV channels. So, what are you waiting for? Enhance your Kodi with IPTV today, and don't miss this exciting offer.